see my little sister with her back to the staircase, and Johnny swings at her, and I don't even wait I don't hesitate, I don't wait, I just swung at him. Kate Moss in the stairs, and I swung at him.
Amber producing fake or forged documents in the courtroom is not a new thing to talk about. Earlier, she forged her bruised images, and it appears like it's her habit to showcase every evidence fake. Now, she is accused of forging the new court documents that Judge White concluded. She smartly changed some words to make it look in her favor. What do fans have to say over her act? Will she be charged for forging? We've got more in the video. A fan made a tweet saying, "I'm extremely disheartened by what I've seen in the media and on Twitter since the June 1st verdict. Johnny Depp endured a grueling jury trial to prove his innocence, and he did so in front of a jury of unbiased, capable adults. He won. He demonstrated it. The conclusion? Completely finished. The AH team is incorrectly claiming that the two verdicts are incompatible. And to support this claim, they are incorrectly narrowing a statement from Judge White regarding Depp's demurrer to only apply to the April 27th statement when it was in reference to all statements in her counterclaim. The original statement by Judge White states, each of the above statements imply that Ms. Heard lied and perjured herself when she appeared before a court in 2016 to obtain a temporary restraining order against Mr. Depp. Moreover, they imply that she had lied about being a victim of domestic violence. Heard somehow forged the content saying it implies. That changed the entire meaning of the content. One user said that this is one of the grounds they're using to argue that the judgment should have been reversed and the claim dismissed or retired, and they're doing it through deceptive, selective editing. Judge Penny will not fall for it, but this is unacceptable behavior. Another stated that she will be perfectly fine. Amber Heard will not survive another trial, so this is hilarious. She is making matters worse for herself 100%. One more wrote, actually, they are clearly clogging up the court with frivolous, futile motions since Judge A told EB not to file any post-trial motions, aside from any potential appeal. These require a response from JD, so they will almost certainly seek sanctions and will almost certainly succeed. Another further added that, allow her to continue filing this garbage. It'll cost her money that she does not have, and she will continue to lose. Courts do not approve of going against a jury, and she lost. One more added that, as they attempted to complete the entire trial, selecting audio segments that support their claim, mincing words, and providing alternative photos, Judge A will not fall for it because she has seen it all. One more further stated that, can't the judge or someone higher order the AH team to stop this nonsense? It's all over, and she still can't believe she lost, but she needs to move on. With everything they want to do now, it's just a joke. Another user wrote that I don't think Judge Penny will fall for it either. I think they're just stalling and the verdict will be upheld. They didn't have a case back then, and they still don't have one now. One hilariously wrote, she's ridiculous, a complete mental case. If her parents truly care about her, they should check her to a facility and get her some assistance. She's wasting the time and money of the courts. JD proved his point, and yes, this is the end of the story. Another comment says, it's perplexing for them to believe that a new trial will be different from the first. With that interview, she literally defamed him again. Her lies continue to pile up with the year the abuse allegedly began. From 2013 to 2012, then to 2011. More evidence in her favor. One more comment says, AH will have problems for the rest of her life. She will never be happy in her life. She is not at ease with herself. Doesn't she have enough to worry about with her perjury charges in Australia? She lied in Australia. Duh! Another states she's now relying on the police officer to back up her testimony. The recent testimony in the defamation case could also overturn that one. But Depp left it as the political embarrassment it was. Another user trolled her saying, they also claim that the person summoned was not a juror. They cannot appeal because she must first post $8.3 million before she can do so. We understand that's a little out of her league. The interesting thing is that Johnny Depp is unlikely to pursue the money. She is exasperating the situation. One more comment says, her group is grasping at straws. Is it what they are compensated for? Perhaps they're afraid they won't get paid if she has to pay JD. Another states, what's ironic is that a lot of her evidence aided JD. All of the recordings supported JD's case and demonstrated the horror he endured at the hands of Turd. They have no regard for the courts. And I'm tired of Eve. One user wrote that AH is out fishing. She needs to get on with her life. Everyone has heard and seen enough for her to lie her way out. She'll just be wasting someone else's money. She'll be defeated yet again. Her attorneys should concentrate on her perjury charge in Australia. One more said, "To be honest, that's a personal issue for me. When I think of hoax, I think of the defendant in this case. But that's because she concocted a complete hoax. And a jury found Adam Waldman's statements calling this an abuse hoax to be true. So it's fair to call it a hoax." What is your reaction to Amber Heard's act? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more.